Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. You never fail until you stop trying. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. The strong rule. The smart command. The weak die. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. A clever person solves a problem. A wise person avoids it. Try not to become a man of success. Rather become a man of value. It is not that I'm so smart. But I stay with the questions much longer. Wild belief in authority is the greatest enemy of truth. We all know that light travels faster than sound. That's why certain people appear bright until you hear them speak. Genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work. If you want to live a happy life, tie into a goal, not to people or things. Wisdom is not a product of schooling but the lifelong attempt to acquire it. I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. Example is not another way to teach, it is the only way to teach. Never memorize something that you can look up. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. Do not grow old, no matter how long you live. Never cease to stand like curious children before the great mystery into which we were born. Intelligence is not the ability to store information, but to know where to find it. Three great forces rule the world: stupidity, fear and greed. The only sure way to avoid making mistakes is to have no new ideas. The only source of knowledge is experience. Life is a preparation for the future, and the best preparation for the future is to live as if there were none.